Today we're diving into the powerhouse of modern AI, large language models. Whether you're debugging your first program or deploying AI at scale, this is your no-nonsense guide to understanding what's under the hood of LLMs and why everyone won't stop talking about them. Imagine an AI that can write code, draft emails, or generate Shakespearean insults. Yes, all at once. That's an LLM. These models, built on transformer architecture, crunch through massive datasets to predict and generate text that actually makes sense most of the time. Industry giants like OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Gemini, and Meta's LLaMA are leading the pack, but new players like Mistral and DeepSeek are shaking things up. The AI arms race is real, and these are the top contenders. OpenAI, the minds behind ChatGPT, pushing the boundaries of reasoning and creativity. Google DeepMind and Brain, home to Gemini, exploring the future of multimodal AI. Meta, big on open source, giving developers more control with LLaMA. Mistral and DeepSeek, disruptors making LLMs faster, leaner, and more efficient. And who's using these models? Developers, startups, Fortune 500 companies, basically anyone who wants to get more done with less effort. Not all LLMs are the same. Some are huge and powerful, others are small and efficient. Here's what makes them different. Size matters. Sometimes, models range from a few billion to trillions of parameters. More parameters mean better performance, but also bigger compute costs. Text versus multimodal. Some LLMs stick to words. Others, like GPT-4 and Gemini, can process images, audio, and beyond. Specialization. Some models, like Bloomberg GPT, focus on finance, while others, like Codex, are built for coding. Choosing the right model is all about balancing power, efficiency, and cost. All right, let's pop the hood and take a peek inside. LLMs rely on transformers and self-attention. They analyze words in context. So Apple, the fruit, and Apple, the company, don't get mixed up. Pre-training and fine-tuning. First, they learn from massive datasets. Then, they get fine-tuned to be useful, and ideally, less chaotic. Chain of thought reasoning. Instead of just guessing the next word, advanced models can logically step through problems. The result? A system that predicts, generates, and adapts, almost like human thinking, but without coffee breaks. AI isn't slowing down. Here's what's hot right now. LLMs that think. Chain of thought reasoning is making AI better at logic and problem solving. More efficient models. Leaner, faster LLMs are cutting compute costs, great news for developers and businesses. The open source wave. Meta, Mistral, and others are democratizing AI, so you don't need $1 billion budget to play. This isn't just theoretical. LLMs are already reshaping industries. Customer support. AI chatbots are handling FAQs so humans can focus on complex issues. Education. Tools like Conmigo are turning LLMs into personal tutors. Enterprise AI. Companies are using AI-driven workflows to boost efficiency and decision-making. Bottom line, if your workflow involves text, AI can probably make it faster, smarter, or more scalable. For developers looking to harness LLMs, here's what matters most. Understand transformers. They're the backbone of LLMs. Master them, and you'll get how these models tick. Master prompt engineering. The right prompt can mean the difference between gold and gibberish. Use reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. This is how AI learns to be more useful and less unpredictable. Optimize with RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Improve accuracy by pulling in external knowledge. Balance performance and cost. Bigger isn't always better. Sometimes a smaller, optimized model is the right call. LLMs aren't just another tech trend. They're a fundamental shift in how we interact with machines. Whether you're building apps, automating workflows, or exploring AI research, now is the time to dive in. So, what's next? Experiment with Hugging Face, refine your prompt engineering skills, and start fine-tuning models. The future of AI isn't just about code, it's about how you shape it. Thanks for watching Code Quack. Smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing tech, and I'll see you in the next one.